Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make rockets at home, mini rockets, and all you need are some matchsticks and some tinfoil. Finally! So as you can see, I've tried quite a few times and I've now found a way to make these rockets that works every time. So you want to take your matchstick like this for it to be cut, but sometimes when you cut it the top bit breaks. So what you can do is pinch it and hold it while it cuts. And like that, well, that bit splintered a bit, but that's fine. But like that, the top bit doesn't break. So now what you want to do is take your tin foil and take a rectangle out of it, which is about this big, and then lay your match head about there, so just past halfway, go in that direction. And then when you have your matchstick, that's the end you cut, so that's not very flat, so you want the flat end to put it behind the match head, and then you start rolling and roll it as tight as you can around the matchstick, so you can kind of pinch the tinfoil as you do it to have tension. And this normally causes the tinfoil to like kind of start to curve up, but that's fine. You just keep rolling, keeping it tight. See, and then your tinfoil ends up going like that, but that's fine. And then once you've got it like this, you can just cut off the excess and then pinch and feel where the match ends, so it's here, and from there you can just fold in the bit on top and just fold it a few times like that, just to seal it. So I've got the match head is just below it, I can feel. And now, because that sometimes break, what you want to do is take another little piece of tin foil and then wrap this around just the top bit. So just wrap it around a few times, and then you can pinch the top of that to make it stay there. So make sure that's tight. And then this is the way that always works. And then also what you can do is pull on the matchstick and it should slide, and then you can just slide it forward back a few times, even take it out, and that's just to make sure that so when it goes off, that this will slip off freely, because you don't want it to be completely stuck or the top's just going to explode and it won't go anywhere. So make sure that it moves like that, and then this will always work. So that one did actually bounce against the wall. It hit the wall up about 2 bricks high there, so that was still going pretty high. So that's a pretty powerful rocket there.